Naglalag yun.
Pero pera yan. Horse tapos si Jojo nagbabayad.
Pwede ka naman matulog kahit kailan. Once a year lang yung birthday ng isang tao.
Okay lang yan, day naman eh.
Maraming days sa year.
Anong point mo?
Wala na akong maisip.
There's 365 of them.
Oh, tapos?
Si Kikiam. Ba't nakatonong happy birthday yung pop yung tawa mo? I miss Josh. Fucking hell.
Yeah, exactly. The Discord call doesn't feel the same without Josh.
You can have more estrogen than testosterone. I don't think your hormones run out. I don't know how that works.
You can.
Although Jory ko,
May
para
ano din
makita
siya?
mo.
May carpet din. May red carpet din. Putang ina.
Putang ina.
Sige, Swain. Swain, kanina nga. One time.
Kakabihan na pa. Sagli mo pa. Pupagpinaw na pa.
Just defend. We can end the game.
Go, Paige.
Go, babe.
I can hear your hard work.
Ano kasi in-order mo dito, Gail? Sa ano? Si JP5?
Secret.
Oro? Nagdamot yung order.
Padala mo dito para...
Yan. Ayan na, magmamakdaw na lang ako. Mura pa.
Yan. Pasabay ako, curly fries.
Shawarma stop na lang. Malapit pa.
Ching's rice, sige.
Sakto may chicken curry dito.
Sabay na lang pala. Palagay na lang sa Tupperware.
Laligtas. Sog na ako.
Good night.
May pok-pok tayo doon. O, di akong papadanda. Di ako sing... feel da kasi yung aura ko, ma. Nung nga-choke eh, ma. Da kapatan kasi lang ako aura eh. Joke mo, ma. Love you.
It's like you're compensating for something. Oh, I know. Josh is not here.
I miss Josh.
I miss you, twin. It's like I can still hear your voice.
Mom, you didn't
I'm
get the
gay.
shit.
We talk about him like he's dead.
This is so broken as well. Nagano siya ng...
Axiom Arc! Ba't di ako nag-Axiom Arc? Nakalimutan ko.
Putang ina niya, Black. Iniwasan niya, pinasalin niya kay Paul.
Nandun. Hindi dyan.
30 seconds left.
Wide swing. Wala na yata dyan.
Ay, wala na.
Nasa harap niya na.
Tangina! Anong timing yun?
Paano yun?
Was there first
Wala ka
time?
bang titi?
Oo nga.
Kailangan ko pa ng tite.
Oo, kailangan mo. Kasi...
The requirement
based
yun.
sa Leviticus 13:20.
What?
Nakikita mo si,
Sige.
Nag-fighting stand siya, gago. Ocho!
Oh, god damn.
Okay. Ano? Shot my
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, never mind. We don't fight them.
Dragon. Ayun na. Ayun na.
Go, Kitty! Let's go.
What?
I don't know either. Nice.
Saan ko puputok ko?
Hello.
Na-imbir na ako, tanggal niya.
Spell MBR na.
Nabubwisit na ako.
And when I just killed a guy named Roy is dead. Are you still here?
Yes.
Okay, good. He was lying.
Everyone is not here. I can't hear him.
Ba't siya nakamute?
Bagan mo yung Nexus. Dali. Bagan mo.
Bakit siya nakamute?
Bakit yan? Animal. Sabi ko Nexus hindi fountain. 0.6.
Diba?
Try mo yung ano, boy?
Napalitan mo pa yung
Point
sense ko.
45, boy.
Ano?
Ang bilis na nun,
Pinapalitan
tol.
mo yung sense ko.
Ganun yung akin, tol.
Siyempre. That mag-low sense ka.
Wala akong masyadong mouse space kaya mataas yung
Yan,
sense ko.
kakasense nyo, tol. Ayun nyo na to.
Boy.
Isa pa rin kita pag di mo na-ace.
Ayun lang.
Wala.
Sa likod. NT.
Okay, may papanoorin na kayo, guys.
Meow.
William, how would you like to be a dog?
Wait, pa-invite ulit.
You're here. Okay, let me.
Depends on what breed.
I'll breed you.
Okay, there we go.
Please don't.
Ngayon ko lang na-gets yung IGN ni Charles.
Yeah, I bet that was really hard for you, buddy.
Yeah, I was wondering what the fuck it meant before.
Yeah, I wonder what slack meant, you know?
Okay, hindi ko na nasala yun.
Si Pulat yata yung sumalo.
Ay,
Makes me biatch.
wow.
Guys,
You
this
can
Poro
also-
was giving me away.
You can
This
also
Poro was looking
tell-
at me. Get out of here! Get out of here!
Nice.
Okay, nice.
We're bringing retarded back. Yeah.
Fucking bitch!
Babatayin ko na ako. May ano ako, may parcel ako.
Parcel.
Yay!
Alam mo yung ano, yung pagkain sa China?
Ang sarcastic
La.
na, nakakainis ka.
Oo nga, nakakainis ka.
Hindi ako
Twinkle. Pacifier.
See you.
No!
I think masakit. Eman.
Is Paulette's mic choppy for anyone else? She sounds like a robot right now.
No.
Weird. Siya lang yung may issue sa audio eh, hindi man kayo eh. That's not a robot. I don't know what kind of robot it is. That's a different...
I can do it. I can do it. Oh shit! Lord.
I'm Rezable.
What do you mean? No. Ito. Ito ba yun?
Ano palit?
Oo.
Ano?
Ay, gago. Ay, sabi ni Paulette.
Pangatlo ko na to.
Why? Ayaw niya. Ayun.
Pangit nila. Wala.
Meg!
Ay, patay na.
Ay.
Ay, patay na.
Oo nga.
Restart natin. Sayang loot.
Tara, gusto ko rin ng loot. Ang tawag doon? Destiny 2. Pwede nyo i-up. Hindi. Destiny 2. Ang tawag dito. Yung pangbukas na.
Dim.
Oh my gosh.
Destiny
2. Meg, no!
Ay, gago.
Ang hirap nang may dalawang bobong kasama.
Hindi ko alam saan ako napunta. Nahulog. Neto.
Tangin boy.